Hi, Valerie Kudnick here with a quick WordPress tutorial. This tutorial is how to add an image in WordPress 3.0. Let's create a new post. We enter the title of the post. And we'll enter some content for the post. Let's go ahead and click this on the visual editor instead of the HTML editor. We'll use the visual editor. And all right, so we have some content, and we're going to click this little icon. If you hold your mouse button over it, it will actually give you a clue to what it does, and it says add an image, and that's what we want to do. All right, we're going to select the file. This will give us the opportunity to grab a file from our hard drive, and I am going to just pick a random picture. Now it's uploading the picture. Okay, now we have some options here. On the title of the picture, this would be nice if this gives the software a little clue and the search engines a little bit of clue about what this picture is. If this were a yard of the month, I might put something like that. This is pretty flowers. How about flowers? I've baked too much. And alt text. You might want to put a description of that. Alt text is used for the search engines and also for people who are visually impaired, where they have a text reader read them what's on the page. And then a caption if you want. You can actually, and this would show up underneath the picture. I will put this as a caption. See how pretty it is. In this case, we don't want anything to happen when somebody clicks on the picture. We want it to just be a picture, so we don't want any URL, any post or file. If there was something here, you could click none. Otherwise, you could click if it had file in it. We're going to click none. Now we have two options, or three options for pictures. We can have align none, align left, align center, which I don't understand why that even exists. I can't even begin to imagine why one would use it for a picture, and then align right. We're going to also, in this case, pick the large size, which will make our picture go all the way across the live area for this post. So it really doesn't matter where it's left, right, center, because the text is going to go around it. And then because this is something we're going to promote on our home page, while we have this picture up, I'm going to click Use Featured Image. If you don't want it to show up anywhere but on the actual post itself, then you don't have to click that. It won't hurt if you click it. And then I'm going to click Insert into Post. And that puts the picture on that page. Let's pick a category for this. In this case, we're pretending this is our Yard of the Month picture. We'll click on that. Once we have the picture in there and the text in there, we click Publish. And when we go to the site itself, click, and refresh the page. Now this is our Yard of the Month. We've told the page we want to show the feature of the Yard of the Month on the home page of the website, and so that's where that picture would be. Obviously that's not a Yard of the Month. That's just some pretty 4 o'clocks that I took pictures of. Anyway, that's how you add a photo in WordPress.